Hey guys, what's up? What's poppin'? As you can see, I'm in a different location as the last video. I'm in my dorm, but it's okay. So today I'm gonna do a little brow tutorial. I have a little different way, slightly different way of doing my eyebrows because I have, I was gonna say a crack, not a crack, what is it called? Oh, I have a scar on my eyebrow, so it's a little bit hard for me to just and go. I kind of have a little hack, but I've realized that it works on, both my eyebrows and other people. Whenever I do like my friend's makeup, it works on them too. So try it out. It makes doing your brows super duper easy. I can literally do my brows in less than 10 minutes, and I feel like that's a talent. Just kidding, I'm not really that. That's not something that's cool. Without further ado, I'm gonna start now. But wait, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see. You can DM me. Just let me know what you guys want to see. And now let's get started. So I've decided to show, bring this in a little bit closer. So I've decided to do one like snatched eyebrow, like a full beat, and then more of a natural brow on this one. I'm gonna start with the snatched brow. So what I always start with is some powder. It doesn't matter what type of powder. Well, just make sure it's a translucent powder. I'm gonna use the airspun one. I don't like it for my face, but for my brows, it does wonders. So I get like a little fluffy brush and get some powder, and I put it all over my brows. Just blend the powder in. And for my snatch beat, trying to steal your edges type brow, I use my Anastasia dip brow in the shade dark brown. This is the best dip brow out there. I don't care what you say. I get a little angled brush and a spoolie, and I start off by brushing my eyebrows through. I get the slightest bit of product and I go like that to make sure it's like super duper flat. And then, so I start off by drawing the bottom of my brow. Is it drawing or shaping it? So I followed the natural arch of my brow. It's so hard to do your brows and talk. It's super duper hard. Like, you have to be all in focused. Grab a little bit more, do the same, brush it on make it super flat by brushing it on the back of my hand, and I just start to fill in the brow. Then I bring some to the front. And I just brush the product up. I don't add any more because I don't want to have Sharpie brow. Sharpie brow isn't cute. Whoever started that, you're sick. After I fill it all in, I just get a spoolie brush and I just make sure the product is blended through. Next, I get a brow gel. This isn't, I don't even know what the name of this is. I don't think brow gel really, brow gel is just brow gel. You don't need to go all out for a brow gel. So I just brush my brow gel through my eyebrows so they're locked in place and they won't go anywhere. Then I grab my LA Girl concealer in Cool Tan, and I carve my brow. So I put a little bit on my hand and I make sure it's like super duper flat. And then I follow, what's it called? Like the underneath of my brow. Like, I don't know what that's called. I don't do the top because that gives you halo brow and I'd just rather not. Next, ooh, I almost fell. Next, I get my Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush. And then I just buff out the concealer. I even like get my finger and just kind of blend it into. So that's it for this brow. So I'm gonna go on to the more natural looking eyebrow, everyday type brow. Oh, what is this? My hair looks, yikes. So for my everyday eyebrow type looks, I use a pencil, and this pencil is by ColourPop. Literally dupe for the Brow Wiz. I used to get the Brow Wiz, but stuff's $21 and this is $5 and it does the same thing, so we have a winner. So same thing with this brow. I start off by brushing it. So I line the bottom of my brow on this side as well, like I did the other one, so I have a guide of where not to draw. But with this one, since I have a scar, I get the pencil and I kind of flick it upwards so it kind of fills in. I think the powder helps with that as well because it helps the product stick better. Same thing with this one. It's just the powder makes the dip brow, the pencil just stick way better to your brows. Then I just brush through to see if the product moves, because with scars the brow product kind of lifts up or it isn't stuck there. What I do next is just I make small lines going upwards towards like the front of my brow, not the front but the top of arch, and I just, it's literally like all I do is flick, brush. So I just kind of make a couple of hair strokes and brush it out. I underline the bottom of my brow and then I do a couple of flicks, brush that out. Need to flick and brush. For my more natural looking brow, I apply the same brow gel. For this brow, I don't really like the super duper carved look that I do for my more snatched brow. I just get a little bit of concealer and I only apply it to the end of my eyebrow like that. When you add it to like the tip of your brow, kind of just makes your brow look more lifted and highlighted. Ooh, my neck itches. Rather than, I don't know if that makes sense. Okay, so that is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed my snatched and my everyday brow. Also, recently have been waxing my brows at home, I guess. So I can't see my brow lady. I've been having to wax them by myself because I don't want to look like I have a unibrow. If you guys want to see a video on that, just let me know, because it's a little cheap little thing that I've been doing lately. What did I just draw? Like, comment, and let me know what you guys want to see next. Subscribe. I mean, like, why not? You know, you're not gonna lose anything. Like, I promise I will try to be more consistent. I'm gonna be posting a video hopefully every single week. Thank you guys for watching. Love you guys so much.